Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to recover data from a laptop after formatting. Whether you accidentally formatted your drive or reset your system, don't worry, there's still a chance to get your files back. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Method 1. Recover files using Windows Backup. Click on the Start button and search for Backup. Open the Backup settings. If you've previously backed up your data to an external drive or HDD, plug it in and follow the on-screen instructions to restore your files. However, if you haven't created a backup, don't worry, there's still hope with the next method. Method 2. Recover files without a backup using AnyRecover. AnyRecover is a professional data recovery tool that supports recovering data from storage devices like SD cards, HDDs, SSDs, and even PCs that have been factory reset. It also offers recovery services for Mac and iPhone, which you can learn more about in our other videos. Step 1. After downloading and installing AnyRecover, run the program. Click on PC Data Recovery and select the location where you lost your files. AnyRecover will automatically scan the selected location and display all recoverable files. You can preview files like photos before recovering them and use filters to narrow down your search by file type or modification date. Step 2. Once you've selected the files you want to recover, click the blue Recover button. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your lost data after formatting your laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.